Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI music generator on the Vidnoz website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website, and after going to the website, we have to go to the option which is called AI tools. So as you can see, I have clicked on the AI tools option, and after clicking on this, here's an option for the AI music generator. So we have to click on this, and I'm going to open this in a new link. So let's click on this. So as you can see, after clicking on this, as you can see, now we are here. If you want to create a music, they have provided the length here, and if you want to text to music, you can also do that. It's up to you. So for example, we are here, so you have to select the genre, select the mode, and select the theme. After selecting these all things, simply we have to click on the generate music, and the music will be generated. So as you can see, now we have to simply select the genre here. For example, I'm going to like the hip hop, and then after that, what we have to do, we have to select the mode here. So for example, I'm going to happy mode, and after that, what we have to select the theme here. For example, I'm going to cinematic theme, and then simply we have to choose the duration here, and then we have to click on the generate music. And after clicking on the generate music, as you can see, it's generating the music. It's 14%, 15% done. It's the faster than you think. So we have to wait for a few seconds until it generate the music, and then we will see the result. So as you can see now music is ready. Now if you want to play this, you can also do that. If you want to download this, you can also do that. You have to click on the download. Let's play this. You can see now music is playing like this. So in this way you can generate the music through AI on the Vidnoz AI website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.